We are viewing now, and you can look at a meter, which is in fact the indicator used in the cockpit for the pilot. And the system is now acoustically set such that the dashes and the dots are of equal amplitude. And you can see that the meter pointer hardly is showing a difference. What you are maybe viewing at is a minor vibration, maybe caused by the particular delays on-off switching times of the miniature relays. First, now taking the dashes, the dots, that means to the left, that the meter pointer itself is going a little bit also further than its left-hand sector has to do with the damping factor of the meters. Please bear in mind the meter might be 75 years or 76 years old, and the magnetic flux of the magnets will have been reduced, and so also the damping factor or the damping system is not responding adequately anymore. But it's an historical device and we leave it that way. But you can see easily pointing at the left hand side of the beam. Now via the equilibrium showing the right hand side. You see the meter itself is standing first a little bit to the left. But this has to do with the time constants in the EBL2 system, which is in fact differentiating and integrating the signal, and it takes time before it can adapt to the time constant of 7/8 of a second. And you see clearly the instrument is responding as you should expect, and that the signal level is higher to the right than to the left has to do with the system parameters depending upon the time that a signal is available. Dashes, of course, are having more energy than the dots. And viewing now, minimizing the signal level and also only listening acoustically, not looking at the meter, and you see the meter pointer is responding hardly. Now we'll look at our test set. This is a simple unit, only switching in the microwatts region, and this set is only containing a potentiometer and actually two relay. And there's a relay, one is switching in 1/8 of a second and the other is switching complementary in 7/8 of a second. And you are now about the equilibrium. And this is all. We can increase a little bit the power or we can reduce it, but it is responding as you would expect. And here again, viewing at the meter, you see it's clearly responding to the right. Again, back to our test set, tuning the potentiometer, and the meter is responding accordingly. It takes some time before it's responding correctly, but that has to do with the system parameters, because it is a system which is controlled in signal level and that takes some time. But you see it's responding as you would expect. Today, by the way, it's the 30th of May 2018.